If your knees feel stiff when you wake up, or your shoulders make that cracking sound every time you move, this video is for you. As we age, the cartilage and soft tissues around our joints lose their flexibility, making every movement feel heavier. But the good news is you can actually slow down and even partially reverse this process with a few small daily habits. Welcome to your Daily Health Doc, where we share science-backed ways to help you stay strong, flexible, and pain-free at any age. Today, we'll explore 5 simple but powerful ways to reduce joint pain naturally, backed by research from Harvard, Mayo Clinic, and the National Institute of Arthritis. Stick with us till the end, and if you find this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. Tip 1. Gentle stretching and mobility exercise. First key is gentle movement every morning. A 2023 Harvard Health study found that people over 55 who performed 10 to 15 minutes of stretching daily reported up to 40% less knee pain compared to those who were mostly sedentary. Gentle stretching helps improve blood flow to the joints, keep tendons and ligaments flexible, reduce pressure on cartilage and synovial fluid. Try simple moves like calf stretches against a wall, hip circles to loosen your pelvis, shoulder rolls to relax your upper body. The most important part isn't intensity, it's consistency. Your joints are like hinges. The more you keep them lubricated, the less they rust. If you want to take it a step further, try combining stretching with low-impact cardio like walking, swimming, or cycling. These exercises increase circulation without stressing the joints. According to the American College of Sports Medicine, 2023, even 20 minutes of brisk walking 3 times a week can improve joint mobility and lower pain perception. You can also do simple chair-based mobility routines, perfect if you have knee arthritis or balance issues. Just sitting upright, rotating ankles, and extending legs for a few minutes daily keeps the synovial fluid moving. Think of it as oiling the hinges of your body. You don't need to move fast, you just need to move often. Tip 2. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Your diet plays a huge role in joint inflammation. A 2022 Journal of Nutrition study found that people following a Mediterranean-style diet had 26% lower CRP levels, a key marker of inflammation, compared to those who ate lots of red meat and refined carbs. Focus on foods that fight inflammation naturally. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, extra virgin olive oil, rich in oleocanthal, a compound similar to ibuprofen, berries and leafy greens, packed with antioxidants to protect cartilage and avoid the collagen burners, sugary drinks, fried foods, and pastries. They accelerate the breakdown of joint tissues over time. There's also growing evidence that gut health influences joint inflammation. When your gut microbiome is unbalanced, for example, due to antibiotics, processed food, or chronic stress, it releases endotoxins that enter the bloodstream and trigger joint inflammation. So, including probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi can indirectly improve your joint comfort. A 2024 study from the University of Florida found that older adults who took probiotics daily for 12 weeks had significantly lower CRP and joint stiffness scores. Combine that with fiber-rich foods, oats, beans, leafy greens, and you'll help both your gut and your joints feel calmer. Tip 3. Boost NAD Plus for cellular joint repair. Here's a lesser-known secret. NAD vitamins, or its precursors like niacinamide and NMN, can help your joint cells repair themselves. According to Harvard Medical School 2021, NAD is a coenzyme essential for DNA repair and reducing inflammation inside cartilage cells. As we age, NAD plus levels drop, making joints slower to recover and more prone to wear. You can naturally boost NAD plus by taking niacinamide vitamin B3 or NMN under medical supervision, doing light exercise to activate SIRT1 enzymes, eating tryptophan-rich foods like eggs, soy, and chicken, A 2023 Nature Aging clinical study even showed that NAD supplementation for 12 weeks increased cartilage density and reduced pain by up to 30% in older adults. One thing many people overlook is that stress and lack of sleep can rapidly drain NAD+ stores. Cortisol, your main stress hormone, actually blocks the enzymes your body needs to recycle NAD+. That's why people who live under constant stress or sleep less than 6 hours a night often experience faster joint aging. So, to maximize your NAD+ benefits, pair supplements or NAD+ foods with relaxation rituals, slow breathing before bed, a 15-minute walk after dinner, or mindfulness meditation. Think of NAD+ as the fuel and relaxation as the charger. They work best together. Tip 4. Hydration protects your joints. Cartilage is made of more than 70% water. When you're dehydrated, the synovial fluid, that natural oil between bones, becomes thicker and less effective. Experts from the Arthritis Foundation recommend drinking at least 8 to 10 cups of water daily for adults over 50. Depending on activity level, you can also mix it up with unsweetened green tea for its anti-inflammatory EGCG, warm lemon, water with honey in the morning. Light vegetable soups at dinner. Avoid caffeine-heavy or alcoholic drinks. They promote dehydration and accelerate cartilage wear. Also, pay attention to electrolyte balance. When you sweat or take certain medications like diuretics, you lose sodium, potassium, and magnesium, all of which are essential for joint fluid balance. Adding a pinch of sea salt or a slice of cucumber to your water can help restore natural electrolytes. And don't forget foods with high water content: cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, celery. These count toward your daily hydration too. If you're waking up with morning stiffness, try drinking 1 full glass of water before bed and another right after waking up. This alone can ease that rusty joint feeling within days. Tip 5. Rest, sleep, and body alignment. Your joints need time to heal. A 2022 Johns Hopkins study found that people who sleep 7 to 8 hours per night have 25% lower inflammatory IL-6 proteins compared to those sleeping less than 6 hours. Proper sleep posture matters too. Sleeping on your left side reduces pressure on your spine and hips. Use a pillow between your knees to keep your spine aligned. Avoid sleeping on your stomach, which twists the shoulders and neck. Also, take short breaks if you stand or work long hours. Rest is as essential to joint healing as movement itself. Let's also talk briefly about vitamins and supplements that support all 5 of these habits. Clinical studies have shown that vitamin D deficiency is closely linked to joint stiffness, especially in older adults. If you spend little time outdoors, talk to your doctor about getting your vitamin D levels checked. Magnesium and vitamin K also play key roles. They help calcium move into your bones instead of your soft tissues, preventing calcification around joints. You can get these from leafy greens, almonds, and fermented foods, or as low-dose supplements. Remember, supplements are not magic. They simply enhance what you're already doing right: exercise, hydration, nutrition, and rest. You don't need powerful drugs or surgery to feel better. Just 5 small habits: stretching, eating anti-inflammatory foods, boosting NAD+, staying hydrated, and sleeping well can make a huge difference in just a few weeks. If your joints feel stiff in the morning, start with one change today. Be consistent. Your body will thank you in time. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more science-based health videos from your daily health doc.